Let's start JavaScript. By JavaScript, we can change the functionality of our website. But first, let's know what we need for starting JavaScript. For starting JavaScript, we have some necessary things. For example, web browser, Visual Studio, and knowing CSS and HTML. At the first, let's know how we can download Visual Studio. You can go to your browser and write it code.visualstudio.com. After that, you can download it from here. Download for Windows. After downloading, you will see this user interface and go to your file, open folder, and wherever you want, you can create a folder. For example, I want to create a folder on my desktop. For example, JavaScript. After that, select folder. Now we are inside our folder. After that, go to new file, click it, and we need three files: CSS file, HTML file, and JavaScript file. At the first, I want to write index.html. At the second, I want to make file for CSS, index.css. And at the third, I want to write a JavaScript file, index.js. Extension of JavaScript is JS. Now let's go to our HTML and link all of this with each other. You can write it like this, exclamation point, after that, enter. After that, let's link our CSS file, link style sheet, href into index.css, yes. Now let's link our JavaScript file. src into index JavaScript. After that, let's close our page, and now all of the file linked with each other. Now remember this, that go to extension, and in the extension part you have to download live server, because it makes very easy when you want to see the result of your code. I download that. Now I want to open it. You can go to your HTML file, right click, open with live server. Yeah, I'll click it. Yes, it comes. Let's bring it side by side. And for seeing the result of JavaScript, you can write it like this: console.log double quotes. Inside the double quotes, you can write whatever you want. For example, hello world. Let's close it, save it, and you can see the result of console.log. Come here to web browser, right click, go to inspect, and inspect, you can see console. Click it and you can see your result, hello world. If you want to see your result like prompt, you can write it like this: window.alert. After that, inside the double quotes, you can write whatever you want. For example, subscribe my channel for more tutorial. Let's close it and see it. Look like this: subscribe my channel for more tutorials. This was JavaScript. For understanding JavaScript, we need three things: knowing HTML and CSS, Visual Studio, and web browser like Chrome or Firefox.